everyone, before we start, imagining a world where particles can be in two places at once, act like both waves and particles, and where you can't know everything about them at the same time. Sounds crazy, right? And today, through a fun coffee shop conversation, we're going to explore these mind-blowing ideas in the simplest and most entertaining way possible.
Hello friends, I am Binood and today guest for the discussion in the right side Dr. Saku. Hi. And left side Mr. Gill. Hi.
Hey, Dr. Saku, I heard you're working on something mind-bending at the quantum lab?
Oh, you have no idea. Just yesterday, we were experimenting with quantum entanglement, and you won't believe what happened. No.
Did someone say quantum? Have me in! But first, can someone explain what exactly quantum mechanics is? My teenager asked me yesterday, and I embarrassed myself completely.
Well, imagine you're trying to catch a butterfly that can be in multiple places at once.
Multiple places at once? Now you're just making things up!
Actually, that's what we call quantum superposition. It's like having a pizza that's both hot and cold until you take a bite.
Like Schrödinger's cat? Poor kitty, being alive and dead at the same time.
Wait, who put a cat in a box? That's animal cruelty! Look at this poor cat! This is just wrong!
Relax! It's just a thought experiment. No cats were harmed in the making of quantum physics.
But here's what really blows my mind. Wave-particle duality. Light being both a wave and a particle? That's like being both a pizza and a burger.
Next, you'll tell me electrons can dance!
Well, actually, they kind of do. They create interference patterns, like waves in a pond.
Speaking of weird quantum stuff, I read about quantum teleportation. Could we teleport to Hawaii for our next coffee break?
Not quite yet, but we are using quantum principles for something equally exciting. Quantum computers.
Oh great, another computer to show me cat videos faster? Whoa, look at that speed! Cat videos loading instantly! This is awesome!
Much more than that. Imagine solving complex medical problems, discovering new materials, or creating unbreakable encryption.
But what about the uncertainty principle? Heisenberg must have been really uncertain about something.
Actually, it means we can't know everything about a particle at once. The more we know about its position, the less we know about its speed.
Like trying to photograph your dog while it's running? See? Too fast! Can't get a clear shot! Ugh, blurry again!
Exactly! Now you're getting it.
Hey, speaking of future tech, will quantum computers help us build time machines?
Well, quantum mechanics has shown us that time might not be what we think it is.
Oh no, don't start with time paradoxes! My brain is already quantum entangled!
But wait until you hear about quantum teleportation experiments we're planning next week.
We're all ears!
We're all ears!
Thank you friends for watching the video. If you love the video, then subscribe the channel.